Welcome to Saturday Science Explorers. Today we're cleaning up our act, literally. We're building our own DIY water filter and learning how nature helps purify water using simple materials you can find at home. What you'll need: a plastic bottle cut in half, coffee filter, paper towel or cotton wool, sand charcoal, crushed from aquarium shops or clean BBQ charcoal, gravel or small stones, a jug of dirty water, just add soil to water, elastic band or string. What to do? Turn the top half of the bottle upside down and place it like a funnel inside the bottom half. Line the neck with a coffee filter or cotton wool. This is your first barrier. Add a layer of charcoal, then sand, and finally gravel. Slowly pour your dirty water into the top and watch as it filters through to the bottom. Wow! Look at the difference. The science bit. Each layer plays a role. Gravel catches large debris, sand traps smaller particles, and charcoal absorbs impurities and odors. This mimics how groundwater is naturally filtered through soil and rock. Note: the water might look cleaner, but it's not safe to drink. Real purification removes bacteria and chemicals too. Explorer Challenge. Try different materials. What works best? Time how long the water takes to filter. Add food coloring to test color filtration. Why it matters. This simple setup shows how millions of people rely on basic filtration to access cleaner water. It's a reminder of how precious water is and how science can help solve real-world problems. Join us next time for more hands-on discovery, only on Saturday Science Explorers.